This is a closed-loop chilled water system designed to distribute chilled water to multiple air handling units, AHUs, fan coil units, FCUs, and kitchen makeup units, KMUs, throughout the building. The piping arrangement for the system is primary-secondary pumping system. We will go through the water riser diagram in details in this brief discussion. The system consists of 35% propylene glycol for freeze protection. Based on winter design temperature, the solution percent will vary. The chilled water loop has air separator, expansion tank, and chemical pot feeder for water quality and system stability. This chilled water riser or single line diagram will help you understand the system in detail and help you in your future project. Let's look into details of primary loop, chiller plant side. The primary loop basically circulates water through the chillers and pushes it into the secondary loop through a decoupler. Primary loop mainly consists of chiller modules, CH1 to CH8, primary chilled water pumps, CHWP1, CHWP2, with VFD drive to provide stepped flow. Primary chilled water pumps circulate water through chillers and into the decoupler. The piping is 6-inch diameter supply return chilled water headers. A chemical pot feeder, CPF2, is installed for chemical treatment. An air separator removes entrained air, preventing cavitation and corrosion. Expansion tank accommodates thermal expansion of glycol mix. The decoupler maintains hydraulic separation between primary loop and secondary loop, confirms independent control of chiller side flow and building side flow. The primary loop should have enough water volume to run the chiller or heat pump efficiently. If there is not enough volume in the primary loop, mechanical contractor should install a buffer tank. The size of the buffer tank should be based on chiller manufacturer's suggestions. Respect water volume recommendations from chiller manufacturer to ensure minimum compressor running time. Maximum number of compressors starts in an hour, and minimum runtime for the assigned operating mode. During calculation of the available water volume, if you want to consider the water volume of the secondary loop, make sure you always run secondary loop pump first, then start the primary loop pump. Secondary loop, building distribution side. Secondary chilled water pumps, CHWPs, CHWP3, CHWP4, are equipped with VFDs for flow modulation to meet the load in the terminal units based on demand. A minimum flow bypass ensures pump protection and maintains chiller minimum flow requirements. The riser distributes 6-inch supply and return lines vertically from the cellar up to the roof, with branches at each floor. Secondary pumps pick up from the decoupler and push chilled water up the riser. Supply return branches feed AHUs, FCUs, KMUs on each floor. Return riser carries water back down to the chiller plant.